Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the Master Teacher Serene. Today we are going to talk about business advantages. Who is to learn business? There's a saying that says ignorance is not a demon. Some of us are ignorant for some sort of ignorant reasons as well. And we think that, it's kind of a curse. That's why maybe things are not working out for us. Or it's kind of, it's the government. Or it's our parents that didn't give us the best education. And we are always kind of free from responsibilities of our failures. Meanwhile, it's just ignorance and it's not a demon. You just need to learn some more. Back then, life was different because knowledge was kind of hidden from secret places, maybe from schools or from, those secret societies that claim to have the monopoly of knowledge. But nowadays, with the internet, things have changed. Things have become in a way that you don't have to go to America to graduate from an American university. You don't have to, you can work and study online. You can graduate, you can get any qualifications you need for you to get there in the market and be prepared for real world experience. So there is no reason for anyone nowadays to not learn all the necessities, all the equipment that you need to run this life. And some of those equipment are things like IT, for example, knowing some basics in IT, like computer, like bureaucracy kind of thingy, Excel, all those kind of things are very important. Languages, you can never thrive in this world without learning the language in any country that you be living in. Because the thing is, when you start from scratch with your local kind of thingy, and if you want to get big, you might need to learn other people's languages, and the most importantly, you must have to learn international languages so that you can do business on a greater scale if you're planning on growing big. Now I'm going to get into defining what is business in the first place. Business is technically when we are looking for profit. We have a product, we have service, and then we find way to distribute our product or service. Now, when you are planning on distributing your services, you can sell around your neighborhood, and then you might have to say maybe in other countries that are not your country, and this might require you to have some basic knowledge about business. And remember, in this life, especially now, the 21st century, the era of like this era right here that we are going through, it's very essential to have business skills, at least the basics, whether you are an employee, whether you are a student. Back then, I used to have some friends that would say, you know what, I'm not going to go to America, I'm not going to learn English, I'm not going to become a banker, I'm not going to learn finances, I'm not going to own a business, I'm going to be an employee forever. I don't need to learn about business management or marketing and all that. Man, things have changed now. It's compulsory for everyone to know the basics. Because you might have to, there's something called personal finances, personal management. This is also, you need to manage your house. You have to learn it by force. But some of us get to learn it by the time we get so old. And this is something that should be initiated, should be developed from a very young age. So yeah, to answer the question, who is to learn English? Honestly, I believe it's for everybody. Whether you're planning on being an employee forever, whether you are a student that is going to go into business school, whether you are just a human being breathing here, you got to learn business. It's very important. And the thing is, business, why should we learn business? Business will teach us the theories, because in business there are theories and there are practice or certain skills and principles, ideas, fundamentals, principles and ideas related to business. And you will be better equipped in this life. So I believe you should give it a try. I'm going to be putting on some videos regarding business advantages. The next video will be coming up on market entry strategies. There are many companies in this world. Let's say Coca-Cola, Ford, for example. Ford is into cars, but Ford is everywhere. McDonald's is everywhere. How do they do it? What are some of the strategies? What are some of the knowledge that they have, ideas, principles that they are applying to make it big like that? You can make it too if you know how to do it. The more you know, the more you become. So yeah, we're gonna get into market entry next time. Please get this assignment and put a comment. Look around you, find companies that are not from your country, that are from a different country. Look at the name of their product or service and the country where they're coming, where it's originated from. Put them on the comments. I need at least 5 for each so that we can get ready to talk about market entry strategies. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And that was your boy. Please don't forget to subscribe and support the channel by commenting as well. See you.